Good morning, welcome to the ADS Securities Markets Update. As widely expected, Switzerland rejected the gold initiative on Sunday, which led to a notable decline in gold prices at the beginning of the Asian session today, declining toward 1142 so far. The SNB noted, or the Swiss National Bank also noted that it's pleased with the referendum outcomes and it's ready to take further and immediate measures if needed. In the meantime, today's low seen as a solid or another solid support which may hold for the next few days. However, the major support stands at 1140, which held back in November. As for the Asian session today, or the first Asian session of this week, there were a few economic releases from New Zealand and China, which had a notable impact on the market as well. In Switzerland, the overseas trade index fell more than expected by 4.4% in the third quarter of this year, comparing to a rise of 0.1% in the second quarter, while it had been anticipated to decline by 4.3% only. It's worth to mention here that this is also the first quarterly decline since the first quarter of 2013, and the biggest quarterly decline is since the second quarter of 2009. In China, the slowing down continues. The manufacturing PMI eased back more than expected towards 50.3 in November, down from 50.8, while the estimates were to decline slightly toward 50.5%. And this is the fourth monthly decline in a row and the lowest reading since March of last year. However, the HSBC Final Manufacturing PMI came in with no surprises or came in unrevised at 50 as widely expected for the month of November. As for the first European session today, all eyes will be headed toward the manufacturing PMI for the Euro area countries, including Spain, Italy, Germany, France, and the Eurozone as a whole. Most of these figures are expected to come in with stable positions or to stabilize with no change for the month of November comparing to the month of October. However, the downside surprises is more likely. In the UK, the manufacturing PMI is expected to decline further toward 53.1 in November, down from 53.2 in October. Finally, in the UK, mortgage approval is expected to decline back toward 59,000 in October, down from 61,000 in September, which would be the fourth monthly decline in a row. As for the US session today, we will be waiting for only two economic releases across the session. Firstly, the final manufacturing PMI is expected to rise slightly toward 55 in November, up from 54.7 in October. And secondly and finally, the ISM Manufacturing PMI is expected to decline back toward 57.9 in November, down from 59 in October, which would be the lowest reading in 2 months. This is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to get the latest economic releases, reports, and analysis. Thank you for watching.